Hello students, welcome to the KTHM e-learning portal. I am Pratik Shinde, working as assistant professor in Department of Zoology, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the chapter Environmental Pollution and we will cover the topic ozone depletion. You should know what is ozone and ozone layer. Ozone is a highly reactive molecule that contains 3 oxygen atoms. Ozone is bluish gas that is harmful to breathe. Ozone strongly absorbs ultraviolet radiation, that is UV, from the sun, which is injurious to life on Earth, thus acting as a sunscreen. The ozone layer refers to a region of Earth's stratosphere. Ozone layer present 15 to 30 km above the Earth. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere. Ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicists Charles Fabry and Henri Buchan. Then, what is ozone layer depletion and ozone hole? Ozone layer depletion or ozone hole is simply that reduction of amount of ozone in a stratosphere. Due to this, UV rays directly contact with Earth. UV rays cause damage to the genetic material or DNA of animal or plant. Exposure of mammals to UV light has been shown to act on an immune system, thereby making the body more susceptible to disease. The catalytic destruction of ozone is by chlorine gas, CFCs gas, nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide. The best example of such an ozone hole is the atmosphere over the Antarctic Ocean, which has only about 50% of the ozone that originally occurred there. The reason is the Antarctic stratosphere is much colder. The lower temperature enable to formation of polar stratospheric clouds. These clouds contain nitrogen oxide and this is responsible for ozone depletion. Due to this, in the Atlantic Ocean, the 50% of the ozone layer is depleted. Let's look at which are the compound causing ozone depletion. First is chlorofluorocarbon or CFCs gas. Then chlorine. Chlorine originated from CFCs gases. Then nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide, HCFCs, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, and bromine or the hydrobromine fluorocarbons. These HBFCs contain bromine. Then look at how to form ozone in atmosphere or what is the process of formation of ozone in stratosphere. Ozone is a chemical form when UV hit on atmosphere, oxygen molecule dissociate into atomic oxygen. The reaction in which oxygen molecule react with sunlight, then they form two oxygen atom. This oxygen atom quickly combine with another oxygen molecule to form ozone. This is the process of formation of ozone in stratosphere. Then what is the process of depletion of ozone in atmosphere and the main harmful gases such as CFCs, nitric oxide and bromine, these are the harmful gases responsible for depletion of ozone. First is CFCs gas. This CFCs gas, in the presence of ultraviolet radiation, they form chlorine and CFCl2. This chlorine again react with ozone, they form chlorine monoxide and the oxygen atom. This oxygen atom react with chlorine monoxide, and again they form chlorine and oxygen. Here the ozone molecule is break and they form oxygen. Again this chlorine is react with another ozone molecule. Then the second component is nitric oxide. This nitric oxide react with ozone and they form oxygen and nitrogen dioxide. This nitrogen dioxide again react with ozone and they form oxygen and nitrogen trioxide. Then the bromine. The bromine gas react with ozone and they form oxygen and bromine monoxide. And these bromine monoxide react with chlorine monoxide and they form bromine and chlorine. Then we move the sources compounds causing ozone depletion. The chlorofluorocarbon CFCs, this is produce chlorine, and chlorine react with ozone and responsible for ozone depletion. CFCs gas are used as refrigerant, propellant in aerosol spray, foaming agent in plastic manufacturing, fire extinguishing agent, solvent for cleaning electronic and metallic compound, and for freezing foods. 2/3 of CFCs is used as refrigerant, while 1/3 is used as blowing agent in foam insulation products. The natural source of CFCs, ocean and volcanoes. The second compound is bromine. Bromine containing compound called halogens and HbFCs, that is hydrobromofluorocarbon. It is used in fire extinguishers and methyl bromide. Methyl bromide is widely used pesticide. The natural source of bromine are ocean and volcanoes. The third compound is nitrogen and nitrogen oxide. The natural source of nitrogen oxide are lightning, volcanic eruption, forest fire, naturally, and microbial processes. And the anthropogenic source of the nitrogen oxide are forest fire, burning of oil, coal, petrol, and gases. And the major source of nitrogen oxide is motor vehicle. The effect of ozone depletion on aquatic ecosystem. Exposure to solar UV radiation has been shown to affect both orientation, mechanism, and motility in phytoplanktons, resulting in reduced survival rate for this animal or organism. Solar B radiation has been found to cause damage in the early development stage of fish, shrimp, crab, amphibian, and other animals. The most severe effects are decreased reproductive capacity and impaired larval development. Then the effect of ozone depletion on vegetation and plants. They reduce the growth, photosynthesis, and flowering in plant and in vegetations due to the UV radiation. Sunburning of plant parts such as leaves and fruits. Due to UV radiation, mutation in plant species. Then the effect of ozone depletion on human. Skin cancer, basal and squamous cell carcinoma. Sunburn and premature aging of the skin. Blindness and other eye diseases. Weakening of the human immune system. In susceptible population or light skin color population in contact with UV radiation is the key risk factor for development of non-melanoma skin cancer (NMSC). Then the effect of ozone depletion on material. Synthetic polymer, naturally occurring biopolymer, as well as some other material of commercial interest are adversely affected by solar UV radiation. Wood, plastic, rubber, fabric, and many construction material are degraded by UV radiation. Control measures. Reduce the using of private vehicle. Use eco-friendly household cleaning product. Avoid using pesticide or bromide containing pesticide. Developing stringent regulation for rocket launcher. Banning the use of dangerous nitrous oxide and CFCs gases. Summary of today's lecture. In this lecture, we have studied what is ozone, then what is ozone layer depletion or ozone hole, then compound causing ozone depletion, chemistry of ozone formation, chemistry of ozone depletion, sources of compound causing ozone depletion, then the effect of ozone depletion on aquatic ecosystem, plant, human and material. And last is control measures. Thank you.